Stop scrolling. If you ignore these 10 warning signs, your liver might shut down completely, and by the time you realize it, it could be too late to save your life. I'm about to reveal the hidden signals your body is desperately sending you right now. Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button, because what I'm about to share could literally save your life or the life of someone you love. Your liver is silently screaming for help, and most people ignore these signs until it's too late. Right now, as you're watching this video, your liver is working overtime, filtering toxins, processing everything you eat and drink, and keeping you alive. But what happens when it starts failing? What happens when this incredible organ that regenerates itself begins to give up? Here's what terrifies doctors. Liver disease is called the silent killer because by the time most people notice symptoms, they've already lost 75% of their liver function. 75%. That's like driving a car with only one wheel left and wondering why it's not working properly. But here's the good news that will keep you watching until the very end. I'm going to share 5 powerful foods that can actually reverse liver damage and protect you from this silent destroyer. So stick around because your life might literally depend on it. Every single day, your liver performs over 500 different functions. It's working 24/7, never taking a break, filtering 4 liters of blood every single minute. Think about that. While you sleep, while you eat, while you're watching this video, your liver is fighting to keep you alive. But modern life is destroying our livers faster than ever before. Processed foods, environmental toxins, stress, medications, they're all putting massive strain on this vital organ. And the scary part? Most people have no idea their liver is in crisis until it's almost too late. The first warning sign that should make you panic is mysterious diarrhea that won't stop. If you're experiencing persistent diarrhea without any obvious cause, your liver might be waving a red flag. When your liver can't properly filter toxins, your digestive system goes into overdrive trying to eliminate them. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's your body's emergency response system kicking in. The second sign that most people completely ignore is sudden allergic reactions to everything. Are you suddenly allergic to things that never bothered you before? This is one of the most overlooked signs of liver distress. When your liver becomes sluggish and overloaded, toxins flood your bloodstream. Your immune system panics and starts treating harmless substances as dangerous invaders, triggering allergic reactions. A healthy liver acts like a sophisticated security system, screening out the bad guys and letting the good guys through. But when it's overwhelmed, chaos ensues. The third warning sign is acid reflux that medications can't touch. If you're popping antacids like candy but still experiencing burning acid reflux, your liver might be the real culprit. When toxins accumulate faster than your liver can process them, your entire digestive system becomes inflamed and angry. The fourth sign is absolutely terrifying because it means your liver is literally trying to repair itself. Swollen legs and ankles that appear overnight indicate your liver is forming scar tissue. But here's the cruel irony. The more scar tissue forms, the less your liver can function. This creates a vicious cycle that leads to portal hypertension, causing fluid to leak into your legs. The good news? This swelling is usually painless, but don't let that fool you. It's your body's desperate cry for help. Pay attention to the fifth warning sign because it could save your life. When your urine and stool colors start changing, your liver is sending urgent medical warnings. When your liver struggles to process bile properly, everything changes. Your urine might become dark amber or even brown, while your stool could turn pale or tar black. These aren't just cosmetic changes, they're urgent medical warnings that something is seriously wrong with your liver's filtering system. If these signs are starting to worry you, and they should, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on, because I'm about to reveal the most shocking warning signs that most doctors miss. The sixth sign is persistent stomach cramps and bloating that no medication seems to help. When your liver can't effectively eliminate toxins, they start backing up into your digestive system like a clogged drain. This creates persistent cramping, bloating, and gas that no amount of antacids can fix. Your stomach becomes a battlefield where toxins and healthy digestion are at war. Unexplained skin problems and itching make up the seventh warning sign that everyone dismisses as stress or aging. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and when your liver fails, your skin becomes a secondary filtration system. This leads to inexplicable itching, dryness, and irritation that topical treatments can't solve because the problem is internal. The eighth sign might sound like a blessing to some people, but complete loss of appetite is actually terrifying. While some people might think losing their appetite is great for weight loss, it's actually a warning sign of liver dysfunction. Your liver helps regulate hunger hormones, and when it's struggling, your entire appetite control system breaks down. This isn't about willpower or dieting. This is your body shutting down non-essential functions to focus on survival. Yellow skin and eyes, also known as jaundice, is the 9th warning sign that sends most people running to the emergency room, and for good reason. When bilirubin, a yellow pigment from bile, accumulates in your bloodstream because your liver can't filter it, your skin and eyes turn yellow. If you see this, don't wait. Seek medical attention immediately. The 10th and perhaps most ominous warning sign is sweet or ammonia-like bad breath that doesn't go away with brushing or mouthwash. When your liver can't properly process proteins and toxins, they create compounds that escape through your breath. If you taste sweetness or smell ammonia in your mouth despite good oral hygiene, your liver is sending an SOS signal. Now, here's what you've been waiting for: the 5 miracle foods that can actually help reverse liver damage and protect you from this silent killer. Garlic doesn't just make your food taste amazing, it literally activates enzymes in your liver that flush out toxins. The allicin and selenium in garlic work like a powerful detox team, helping your liver purify your blood. Oranges are vitamin C powerhouses that act as powerful antioxidants, protecting your liver cells from damage and helping them regenerate faster. The high levels of vitamin C create a protective shield around your liver cells. Spinach has an incredible ability to neutralize heavy metals and pesticides that accumulate in your liver over time. It's like having a tiny army of cleaners working inside your body, specifically targeting the most dangerous toxins. Turmeric, this golden spice, doesn't just reduce inflammation. It actually helps your liver burn fat more efficiently, reducing the workload on this vital organ. It's like giving your liver a personal trainer that helps it work smarter, not harder. Walnuts are the purification powerhouse your liver has been begging for. Rich in glutathione and omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts provide your liver with the essential tools it needs for optimal detoxification. Think of them as premium fuel for your liver's detox engine. Listen, I've just shared information that could literally save your life. If you recognize 2 or more of these warning signs in yourself or someone you love, don't ignore them. Your liver is trying to tell you something crucial. The beautiful thing about your liver is that it's the only organ in your body that can regenerate itself, but only if you give it the chance. Start incorporating these liver-loving foods into your diet today. But more importantly, consult with your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. If this video opened your eyes to the silent crisis happening in your body right now, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because I'm constantly sharing life-saving health information that your doctor might not tell you. Share this video with everyone you care about because liver disease doesn't discriminate. It affects people of all ages, and early detection can mean the difference between life and death. Drop a comment below telling me how many of these warning signs do you have, and more importantly, which of these liver-loving foods are you going to start eating today? Your liver has been working tirelessly to keep you alive. Now it's time for you to return the favor. Remember, when it comes to your health, knowledge isn't just power, it's survival. I'll see you in the next video, where I'll reveal the shocking truth about what's really hiding in your medicine cabinet that's slowly destroying your liver. Stay healthy, stay informed, and never ignore what your body is trying to tell you. See you, bye.